to Science for Kids. Today we're going to do a craft, but that craft has some science behind it too. The things that you need are some popsicle sticks, a Lego man, a rubber band, some glue, and a bottle cap. Bottle cap is optional. You can use a plastic spoon if you want. Take 8 popsicle sticks. Let's take 6 sticks from the 8. Now let's tie the 6 sticks together. One side of the stick is done tying. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. Now both sides are done. Now we have 2 sticks left. What are we going to do with these sticks? Maybe we can tie this rubber band on one of these sides. After done tying, this is what it will look like. Instead of adding one of the sticks, you can add a plastic spoon too. It works fine. Now let's open these 2 popsicle sticks and put it right here. Now you take this rubber band and tie it right here. Okay, let's start tying. This is how, after done tying, it will look like. Now we can glue the cap together. You can use it like this too. The reason I'm not using it like this is because the Lego man will slip. So that's why I'm gluing this bottle cap right on top. Let's glue it. Okay, now we're done. Let's stick the bottle cap on the popsicle piece. Let's let it dry for a couple seconds. Finally, everything is done. It looks like this. Come on, Lego figure, let's go. Lego figure, I think you're missing something. Oh yeah, safety first. Go get your helmet. Okay, I'll get my helmet. Now put your helmet on. That's better. Are you ready, Lego man? Yes, I'm ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! That was so good! You can use other items like a ball. Let's launch the ball. 3, 2, 1. A catapult is a simple machine that they used a long time ago for wars, like taking down big castles and big walls. The things that they needed was the catapult and some rocks. Do you know how this works? When we press down the popsicle stick, it creates energy. And when we release it, it releases the energy with force. I hope you like this simple experiment. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science for Kids. And please share this video with your friends so they can learn the science behind this catapult experiment too. And they'll learn science in a fun way. Thank you, and Nandri!